Machine learning, ML, is a core subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. While AI is the broader concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart, machine learning is the method by which they acquire that intelligence. A key technique in ML is the use of neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process data in stages. Deep neural networks with many layers are particularly powerful and are used in tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and scientific modeling. Machine learning is transforming many areas of science. In physics, ML helps analyze data from particle accelerators, simulate quantum systems, and detect gravitational waves. In chemistry, it accelerates drug discovery, predicts molecular properties, and optimizes chemical reactions. In biology, ML is used in genomics, protein structure prediction, and modeling complex biological systems. In materials science, algorithms can predict the properties of new materials, design alloys, and optimize manufacturing processes. By uncovering patterns in large datasets, machine learning is enabling faster discoveries and deeper insights across disciplines.